Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So I am literally still in my pajamas because I've been editing all morning, but today is the day before I go to Minnesota just for like 5 days. We're going to see Ari's family and some of our friends. If you're newer to my channel, you might not know that I grew up in Minnesota and I only moved to Arizona like 6 months ago. So yeah, we haven't seen anybody in a very long time and we're just missing them and thought we would do like a 5-day trip. But yeah, we have a very busy day. I have a lot I want to get done. So I have like a big cleaning list that I need to take care of. I also need to pack, and then I want to get in one last workout before I go because I just know that I probably won't be working out that much on my trip. So yeah, let's get this day started. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So here is one of the main issues. I just need to disinfect the whole bathroom. I also want to clean my bathtub. Everything is just messy and gross, so I need to disinfect it. I just hate having a messy bathroom. It's like my pet peeve. I also need to clean up this nightmare. I have been really bad about hanging up my clothes, so don't judge me. We're gonna clean this all up right now.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.
Don't forget to clean the mirror because they actually get so gross, and I feel like they just make such a difference in any space if they're clean. Although I know disinfecting your bathroom is not the most fun thing to do, but it is necessary, and sometimes you just gotta suck it up and do the dirty work.
Like day by day, I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain.
So I just finished vacuuming. Everything looks so nice. Ari did the dishes and he also took care of the trash and recycling. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Day by day, I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down.
That was literally a whole ass workout. Like, I'm literally sweating, but I just can't stand coming back to a messy place after a trip. So this was well worth it. I just have one last thing to do, and that is just to put in a load of laundry because I have a few things that I need for the trip. To make some lunch right now. It's like 2 o'clock. Ari actually has a friend coming over in a little bit to film a video for his channel. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go to the gym during that time. But I'm gonna make a salad right now. I think I'm just gonna do some barbecue chickpeas with like corn, lettuce, some tomatoes. My hair is so crazy. Tomatoes and red onion. It feels like time is just flying by today, but I have my lunch now and I actually need to work on getting my video up because it's almost 3 o'clock. It'll be up by the time this video goes up, so definitely check it out if you missed it. So I'm all done with my workout and now I'm just chilling in this room in my apartment building because Ari's still finishing up his video, but I'm just gonna do a little reading in the meantime. I just got this in the mail. It's a pre-workout powder from Alani Nu in the flavor Pink Guava. I've heard really good things about this brand, so I thought I would try it out. It's supposed to be like an energy boost before your workout, so you can have a really kick-ass workout. So I'm really excited to try it. Of course, I'm going on a trip now, so I probably won't try it until I get back, but I am excited. Finally about to self-tan. It's been quite a while. I don't think I've been tan for like 3 or 4 weeks, which is insane for me because I'm usually tan, usually very on top of it, but I've kind of just been embracing my white skin tone. So yeah, it's been nice while it lasted, but I am ready to go back to the dark side.
She's beautiful. You're so pretty.
Looks like we got a stowaway. No, you're the funniest cat. You're so cute. Are you gonna come with me? Can I just shove you in here? Oh, cutie. Oh. Alright, the packing has begun, so I think I have like most of my clothes in here so far. Just have some shorts to sleep in. We got like some comfy tees and stuff for sleeping in or just lounging around, whatever. And I have this really cute top from Fashion Nova that I haven't worn yet. It's like really thick material, so it's very cozy, so I feel like it's perfect for Minnesota. And yeah, I just got some cute details, like a cutout right here. We got a turtleneck and just like this cute design, so I'm excited. I might wear that when we go out for sushi with like a couple of our friends. And I'm also bringing this cute little purse. Yes, I did apply the tan. It looks so good. It's still developing, so I'll probably leave it on for like a couple more hours. Clearly back from my trip, so hello. We had a really great time. We got to spend a lot of really good quality time with Ari's family, and I also saw a few of my friends, which was so nice because I really missed them. We actually came at such a great time. Like the weather was super nice. Like obviously it was still cold, but it was just so beautiful out, and it really made us miss Minnesota. But yeah, we are happy to be back now and just getting back into our routine and everything. I feel like it's always the most challenging, like right after you get back from a trip, but we will do it nonetheless. And also I will be back to my normal filming schedule, which is posting on Wednesdays and Sundays, so stay tuned for my next video on Sunday. Also don't mind me looking all crazy here, but I'm just like a mess. I've been editing all morning. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.